1st. It is about 6 a.m. and I'm actually about to leave my friend's house to go head to my mom's for the week. There you baby. Batman man. My baby. I'm a good boy. I'm Meat Mix. And baby. I love you. You're a good girl. Be a good girl, okay? Be a good girl. See it? Like that? Be a good girl. Come on. Nix. Come on. In your cage. Good girl. Daddy see you soon. Daddy see you soon, okay? I love you. Nika, I love you, baby. What's up, guys? So we are right here at the Wilmington Hospital. My mama's having some surgery done. Boy, I'm telling you, I am a nervous wreck right now. I'm trying to hold it together. I'm just praying that everything goes smoothly. Mom's having a catheter done and some possible stents that's got to be put in her. And I just hope everything goes okay. I'm just worried. I don't like surgery at all. It just gives me extreme anxiety. So I have like really high anxiety right now. But I take it by the time you guys probably watch this, that everything is good and we are back home and she is recovering as we speak. So, but right now as we speak, she's literally in the process of the procedures. I'll keep you guys posted periodically. Yeah. I just pray that everything goes good. God is good, so I'm not worried about anything. However, in the Bible, it does say 2 or more that's in the midst of prayer. God is definitely present. So I've got a lot of people praying for my mama. And yeah, God is good, guys. God is good no matter what. So I don't know what else to say. I just know I'm a nervous wreck right now. So I'll catch you guys in a little while. Helicopters have sure been active today. I just pray that they are okay, because anytime you see a helicopter flying out, it's never a good sign. So I just pray that everybody is well. But we're going back in. Alright, so procedure is over with. A little over an hour. Her 5th stent was clogged 90%. So everything is good now. Everything was a success. So thank God. As soon as I walked in, she was smashing a sandwich and downing some juice. So all is well. I'm actually getting in the van here. My van. Nah. Mom actually told me not too long ago, yesterday or the day before, that whenever I was ready to get the van, that I can go ahead and get it. But you know, obviously, once my mom's healing process is done and over with, we'll be able to continue forth with the process. So I'm gonna go find me some better parking to where I don't have to walk through the maze of the hospital to figure out where I'm at and how to get to the car. So see you guys in a minute. Sorry. What's up, guys? I hope you can hear me good. Yeah, it was pretty quick. It didn't last that long. It only lasted like, I think it was like right at 15 minutes. It's normally a little bit longer, but it was still good. I hope you enjoyed the show though. Got it as good as I could. I actually got right there on the ocean and it was beautiful. But I'm about to be in this traffic. I walked down to the store up here, so I'm about to be in the traffic. I gotta clean my glasses. You guys, glasses wearers ever come to the beach and you get this film of the moist ocean air covering your glasses? Ugh. I had to wipe them a couple times. I gotta clean them when I get to the car because this is really bugging me and I gotta drive back. It's gonna be like almost four hours driving. So I'm headed back to my area. But I had a good time. So I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all see the fireworks show. Happy 4th of July, y'all. By the time I post this, it's gonna be well after the 4th. But that's okay. I'm ready to go see my baby. I miss her. My meat meats. I'm ready to see her. Look at that traffic. That's going to Ocean Isle. I think that's like people living here and stuff like that. So residents. But this flowing traffic right here is what I got to get into. So, but I feel like if I head back tonight, it won't be as bad as the next morning. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I feel like traffic won't be as bad if I leave tonight. I feel like people have been drinking, blah, 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 and they just going back to the hotel or their rental home or however rich you are. But, yeah, so I'm about to be back to the vehicle though. I just wanted to check in and say what's up. Hope y'all enjoyed that show. I love this beach. But I'll see you guys here shortly. No traffic at all on Highway 218. Yo, this is crazy. I've literally not had a car behind me or coming towards me in literally 30 minutes. Probably a little over. I've literally had my bright lights on the whole time for 30 minutes, probably longer. That is crazy. Like, there's nobody on this road, 218. It's a very scenic road though, I love it. I really enjoy the night drive right now. Like, I love driving at night. There's one. I am literally on 485. There's a car behind me. But I'm literally on 485 by myself, basically. There's something coming. There's some cars coming up there. That's about it. Like, it's super dead. I think I chose the right time to travel back. So, not very much traffic at all. Smooth sailing. Smooth sailing. Still on 485. Got a little bit of traffic behind me. But on the bright side, at least people thought about staying at home for once instead of drinking and driving. I made it. It's almost 3:30 in the morning and I am tired. And I'm about to go in here and face Miss Wild Thing. And wake my friend up. I hope not. I'm gonna try to be quiet. But I'm gonna go ahead and say goodnight now. And I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm ready to go to sleep. Good night, guys. It's me. What's up, guys? I just want to go ahead and wrap this video up and let y'all know thank y'all so much for all the prayers and wishes and stuff that you gave for my mom, for me, and we really appreciate it so much. What y'all have done, it's just amazing that the prayer warrior is out there in the world. It's insane, and I love it. And God is good, and Mika is good. I'm glad to have her back. I'm glad my mama's safe. I'm glad my mama's doing well. She's healing up very well. Progress is doing great. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. God bless all y'all, and I love y'all. He's a pretty girl. Daddy's baby. Love you guys. See you next time in the next video. Y'all have a blessed day.